In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this tablet. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and tap on Apps and Notifications. Following that, scroll down again, click on Default Apps, and tap on one of those sections, in my case, Browser App. Now just click on your app that you wish to apply, in my case Opera Mini, and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!